Hi guys, it's Jessie at Mantooth Insurance. Now that spring is finally here, I thought it would be a great time to talk about water damage that can occur in your home. There are three main types of water damage that can happen to your house. The first one is covered under the standard homeowner's policy, and that would be something like a leaky pipe or a burst pipe. So it'd be something under your sink or your toilet, or it'd be like an ice maker line behind your refrigerator. And typical damage done from that would be flooring or some cabinetry or some drywall. And that is covered under your standard homeowner's policy, of course, subject to your deductible. Second type of water that can occur would be a drain backup. Typically that would be in your basement, but that can be if you've got a floor drain or if you've got a sump pump, something like that that just malfunctions or anything that could occur to it and the water would back up into your house. We do typically see that happen a lot of the times on basements, especially in this spring season that we have. That is something that is a separate coverage under your homeowner's policy. It's not always automatically covered. So you will want to double check with us because hopefully we're your agent, but definitely check with your insurance agent to see if water backup is covered under your policy. It does have to be endorsed onto the homeowner's policy in order for that to be covered. And the third type of water damage that can occur, especially in this season, is flood. That is outside water coming in to your house. And that is not covered under a standard homeowner's policy. That is covered under a separate flood policy. So that does have to be a whole separate policy written through a whole separate company, and there is a whole separate premium for that. Typically, it is pretty pricey to have flood insurance, but you will really appreciate having it if you need it. So those are the three main types of water damage that can occur in your home. So give me a call if you have any questions on that, want to know if any of that's covered, or if you want to add any kind of coverage to your policy. We'll be glad to go over your coverages with you. And if you don't currently have us as your agent, give us a call. I'll be glad to quote your homeowner's policy and flood if you need it. My phone number is 317-272-1010. And again, this is Jessie at Mantooth. Have a great day. Thanks.